Hello, this is the Birds team. We built a stock market price predictor, specifically predicting Dow Jones average using news headlines as inputs and random forest classifier as our model. The framework we use to deploy our machine learning model is Streamlit, which is a simple Python framework to display and build interactive Python web applications. So on the left here, we have various user inputs. First, there's a show train test raw data where the user, when this is checked, the user will be able to observe the training set we used as well as the testing set, which is basically the Kaggle data set that we fed into the model to be trained. And then there's a number of estimators, which is one of the random forest hyperparameters. When this is changed, the model's performance may be affected accordingly. And lastly, there's a prediction field where the user can input any custom news headlines they want, and after the model is trained from our dataset, we would take in this input and then predict that news headline's effect on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. For example, when I press predict here, the model will first get itself trained and then produce the output. Please keep in mind that this is a local server for the demo, but it is deployed on Heroku, and Heroku is going to take a much longer period of time for the model to get retrained and predict. So anyway, we have the model training report here, and we can see the confusion matrix, classification report, and also model accuracy. These are all from the test set, and we see that the model accuracy here is 85.4%. And then our model also takes in the user input and use the input to predict its effect on the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Here we got a result of 1, meaning that the Dow Jones Industrial Average will stay the same or move up due to the news headline. And please keep in mind that when predict is pressed multiple times, even though it's the same input and the same result, we may not always get the same accuracy score, and the prediction may not always be the same just because the model is being retrained every time, so there is some degrees of randomness in that. And that's it for our project. Thank you for watching.